In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy multiple tasks in Asana quickly using Ctrl+C and Ctrl+V. If you've ever needed to duplicate a bunch of tasks without recreating each one from scratch, this simple shortcut-driven workflow will save you a ton of time. We'll keep it straightforward, and I'll add helpful tips so you can get clean, consistent results every time. First, open Asana on your desktop and navigate to the project that already contains the tasks you want to copy. Make sure you're looking at the task list or board where those tasks live, and give the main task area a click so it's active. This ensures your keyboard shortcuts apply to the task list and not to your browser's address bar or another panel. Next, select the tasks you want to copy. On Windows, hold down the Control key. On Mac, hold down Command. While holding that key, click each task you want to include. You can add or remove tasks from your selection by clicking again, so take a moment to confirm you've highlighted exactly what you need. This method works whether you're in List View or Board View. Once your tasks are selected, press Ctrl+C on Windows or Command+C on Mac to copy them. You won't see anything change immediately. That's normal. Think of it like copying text. The content is now on your clipboard and ready to paste. Now, move to the destination where you want these tasks to appear. You can stay in the same project if you're creating duplicates there, or switch to a different project using the sidebar or your recent projects. Open the exact place where you want the duplicates to land so Asana knows where to put them. With the target project in view and the task area focused, paste using Ctrl+L+V on Windows or Command+V on Mac. Asana will create new tasks based on the ones you copied. Give it a second if you copied a lot. They'll populate in the project you have open. If nothing appears, click once inside the task list or board column and paste again to ensure the focus is correct. You should now see the copied tasks in the selected project. These are fresh duplicates, so you can safely edit, assign, or schedule them without affecting the originals. This is especially handy for recurring workflows, templated lists, or cross-project collaboration. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.